Hello guys and welcome to another video. My name is Alex from Tech Fusion and today I have for you guys a treat most special, this RTX 3090 right here, just about 10 months late to the game. So I'm going to break it all down to you guys. I'm going to unbox this GPU right here, see exactly what you're getting for the amount of money that you are paying, take it through some benchmarks, play some games on it, and of course some productivity tasks, because this GPU is all about productivity, and see exactly what it's capable of and if it's actually worth the amount of money that you are sacrificing for it. All of this now out of the way, let's carry on with the video. So guys, this is the Suprim X GeForce RTX 3090 from MSI. Supreme, I don't know, nobody knows what's going on with the naming. I don't think MSI even knows what's going on. So let's carry on with the unboxing, shall we? Ta-da! So as soon as you open the box here, you are greeted with the Suprim, once again, misspelled name over there or intentional. Some literature over here in this little black, matte black envelope. Won't go through this right now. A little plastic thing, of course. This is why you pay so much money on this card. The Suprim card, this is the mouse pad. It's quite a big boy. It's, nice looking. Has a really nice weight to it. But yeah, let's carry on with the main show here. This is not it, of course. You get as well with your card a stand for it, which is a big, heavy boy, I should say. Let's open it up here. Not very nice with opening up things. Okay, there we go. So let's open it up and ta-da, there we go. You have yourself a GPU stand. It's not that heavy as a GPU. I'm kidding, it is heavy. It requires this. This is definitely a must-have if you don't want to have that sad looking sag. So yeah, you have this, which is 100% metal. Very sturdy piece of, GPU mounting hardware. So this aside, it does have some nice, what is this, rubber? Yeah, it's just a rubber thing here to hold your GPU. So that's really nice. And of course some rubber feet that go into your case to keep this GPU from sagging. Moving on with the star of the show here. If you guys do like the sort of content that we do here on the channel, we would greatly appreciate it if you would consider hitting the like button and as well maybe consider subscribing to the channel to not miss any future episodes. Right guys, so directly from the MSI gods themselves, this GPU packs in 24 gigs of RAM, GDDR6 RAM, and the memory, it's all the way rated to 105 degrees as an operating temperature if you want to look that up. So for all of you guys who are running their GPUs flat out and you're worrying about those temps, 105 is the absolute maximum, so anything below 100 should be fine, but watch your temps. This is what the official producer has to say about it. It packs in 3 8-pin connectors over here because this card can draw up around 420 watts of power, which is plenty of power. And well, the MSI gods themselves have actually proposed that we should use PSUs that have ratings of at least 850 watts for those high peaks when there is a lot of power demand by this GPU. Other than this, you have all the other technical mumbo jumbo that you can go ahead and search for online, like VR ready. Yeah, what is VR ready? I don't know. G-Sync technology, yes. Adaptive vertical sync, yes. And the maximum digital resolution that this puppy can output, it's 7680 by 4320. So that's 8K anyway. So you can game at 8K if you're a fanboy of that and you have the screens for it. You should absolutely go bonkers with it. Other than this, quite a heavy boy, lots of heat sinks, lots of cooling, lots of RGB, so extra FPS for that. Oh, I should of course mention, so display on this bad boys are 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. The HDMI, it's a HDMI 2.1 rated to give you 4K at 120 Hertz. And these puppies right here are the 1.4 alpha version of the DisplayPort technology. So you could basically game at 8K with these display ports. All of this said, let's carry on with some games. Thank you guys once again for watching this video. This was Alex from Tech Fusion. If you do like the content, we do hope and we greatly appreciate you hitting the like button and maybe considering subscribing to our channel. And if you want to see more videos, you can click right up here. There are more videos. See you guys in the next one. Or if you don't, maybe you can hit here so you can subscribe to the channel. Anyway, thank you once again a ton for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.